We are going to discuss about past and future model into passive voice. So how we can change past and future model into passive voice. If we have may in a sentence, so we will change it into maybe. Okay? Like how? Look at this sentence. She may eat an apple. She may eat an apple. An apple maybe. Because we will change may into maybe, and eat will be changed into eaten. By who? By her. Okay, so she may eat an apple may be eaten by her. Okay, the next sentence is she may not eat an apple. Here we have not. The sentence is negative. So how we will change? We can change it. An apple may not be eaten by her. Okay, if we talking about the interrogative sentence, so the interrogative sentence will be may she eat an apple? May she eat an apple? May an apple be eaten by her? Okay, may will be, we will put may at the start of the sentence. If we talking about here might, so might will be changed into might be. Okay, she might kill the snake. The snake might be. Okay, this might will be changed into might be, and kill will be changed into killed. Okay, so she might kill the snake. The snake might be killed by her. She might not kill the snake. Here we put not because this sentence is negative. This is negative sentence. If we want to change this sentence into passive voice, so the snake might not, and then we will put be, and kill will be changed into killed by her. Might she kill the snake? This is interrogative sentence. Might she kill the snake? Might the snake be killed by her? Okay, now let's discuss about ought to. So ought to will be changed into ought to be. Ought to be. Okay, you ought to help her. You ought to help her. She ought to be helped by you. She ought to be helped by you. You ought not to help her. You ought not to help her. We have not here, and this is negative. What kind of sentence is it? Negative sentence. So, you ought not to help her. She, this one we are discussing about that. Okay, you ought not to help her, so she ought not to be helped by you. Okay, so ought, what is the exact meaning? That ought to will be changed into ought to be. Here might will be changed into might be, and you already know that palm will be third. We will use third palm of verb. Like for kill we use killed. Okay, and for might we will change might be. Same like that if we talking about may, so may will be changed into may be, and you already know that eat is verb. So here we will change this into third palm of verb. Eaten, third palm of verb. You already know about it. Okay, so that's it for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah.